That shooting comes after an extremely violent night in Philadelphia. 9 people were shot across the city in less than 3 hours. Among the victims, 3 children, including a 15-year-old. He is in critical condition after being shot multiple times. The numbers continue to climb in the gun violence crisis. More than 1,700 people have been shot in the city this year, according to the latest numbers from the Office of the City Controller. Of those victims, 162 of them are under 18. It is a troubling trend with so many children being shot. So what is being done about that part? CBS 3's Natasha Brown joins us with the toll that this gun violence is taking on the city's children. Good evening, Natasha.
Well, good evening to you, Jessica. Quite a toll it is. The rising rate of child shooting victims throughout the city, it is certainly alarming at this point. Doctors at Children's Hospital treat these young victims for their injuries, but they also provide an outlet meant to support them after they've left their care.
I see it from both ends.
Dr. Joel Fine is an emergency medicine physician at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. He is also part of the Center for Violence Prevention at CHOP. Not only does he see more and more child gunshot victims coming through the ER, he also compiles the research that may help prevent the disturbing trend.
In 2020, we saw twice as many kids shot by firearms as we did in 2019. We saw quite a number of kids either shot in the street or in their home by a loaded gun.
While doctors provide the triage, Philadelphia police are working to stay ahead of the gun violence plaguing young people in the city who are often unintended targets. Police Commissioner Danielle Outlaw sent CBS 3 this statement in reference to Thursday's violent night. It reads in part, quote, amongst 9 people that were shot yesterday, 3 were homicides and 3 were children, ages 11, 12, and 15. Children who were injured during unsolicited attacks. While we are hopeful that the surviving victims' injuries will heal, the fact remains that these lives are forever changed. CHOP Center for Violence Prevention adds another layer of support to the families of children impacted by gun violence. Most will live with the mental and physical effects for the rest of their lives.
For the children that are injured by gunshots, we also provide wraparound care through our violence intervention program, which is a hospital-based violence intervention program that wraps around the family and the child to support them through an injury.
Well, right now the city is seeing a 17% increase in homicides than this time last year. Meantime, no arrests have been made in any of yesterday's shootings. That is the very latest for now. Reporting live here in the CBS 3 News Center, Natasha Brown, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Natasha, thank you.